don't we do?
I think we just talk about the collection and we'll talk to Adi and then
Can you hear me? Yeah, a lot of familiar faces here. Hi. Well, as Amrish said, I think we're coming to a stage in India where I personally, as a designer, feel that we should not really let high street brands be Western and Indian designers should only do bridal. I think it's ridiculous. I think we have enough talent in this country and we have so many more places to go to build a really indigenous, organic Indian brand which can stand on its own and doesn't necessarily have to be only for the Indian market. It can stand on its own in any international market, and we are working towards that. But using a lot of the crafts and the textiles from our world, which has had the richest textiles ever, and marrying it with silhouettes which we need maybe internationally, because things are moving, people are dressing differently, and the Indian woman today is not the Indian woman 50 years back, and I think she's not going to be the Indian woman 50 years hence. So we have to look at a very modern India, and we have to look at an India which enjoys their own culture as well. So this label line is somewhere in between.
Thank you so much. Adi,
I would just like to say that I'm very, very privileged and honored and grateful for having me here because I've been a big fan of Ritu Kumar's collection. And this is labeled Ritu Kumar, which is all the more like, it's just something which I can maybe wear it more often. Like I can just like, it's so wearable and it's so youthful and it's so effortless. And I feel it still has, it's still chic and it has touch of royalty, which is merged with pop of colors and vibrancy. And the fact that it does not look like you're trying too hard is something that makes it all the more fun and we're closer to what I say my kind of style. Thank you.
we're going to open the floor for some questions. Has anyone got any questions?
आप वो ले लीजिए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
मैम हाय, हर बार मैम देखते हैं वैक्सीन होता है, हर बार एक नया चैलेंज होता है कि कितना में क्या है, कि मधु और अच्छा नहीं है. मैम कैसे डिसाइड करते हो कि ये अच्छा लगेगा, उसके ऊपर
ये डिसीजन तो एक डिज़ाइन डिसीजन है और ऑल्सो ये देखते हुए कि माहौल कैसे चल रहा है. आजकल तो हम लोग सिर्फ ये नहीं करेंगे कि शादी के कपड़े ही बनाएंगे. माहौल कैसे चल रहा है, आपके आगे की पीढ़ी क्या चाह रही है, क्या पहनना चाह रही है, और इसमें से इंस्टिंक्ट निकलता है कि लास्ट सीजन स्पोर्ट्सवेयर में था. इस साल ये कोई ब्लेंडिंग जो हो रही है हमारी बिटवीन ओल्ड कल्चर और जो नई जनरेशन है, इसको देखते हुए एक पूरी टीम है, डिज़ाइनर्स हैं. अमरीश उसको डायरेक्ट करता है, उसकी एज ग्रुप ज़्यादा है जिसको जो ये चीज़ डायरेक्ट कर सकता है. तो इट्स अ ब्लेंडिंग बिटवीन दी ओल्ड एंड न्यू और किसी तरह कुछ निकल आता है.
Hi. Hi.
जब आप कहीं बाहर की बीइंग एक्ट्रेस है, कोई आपको पहचानता है, मतलब कॉन्शियस होते हो कि मैं किस तरह की क्लोथिंग लाइन फॉलो कर रही हूँ या कुछ ऐसा?
I wish I was more conscious and then maybe then I would have come in your best dress list.
You're getting there. You're
I'm
getting there.
Now I'm getting there, see. I do feel at times, I mean, of course, you cannot be very, you can't take it too lightly. You know that you're being clicked and then it's just unwanted flag that you might get for not looking nice. But I don't, I'm also very true to myself and my sense of styling. I'm very, again, my sense of style is also very effortless and very comfortable and very, I still keep it stylish. It's not like I don't. I think I have a decent taste in my clothing. I don't accessorize a lot, but then I do make sure that I'm looking, how do I put, not a diva, but like dressed well enough to like step up.
बॉलीवुड में आपको कौन सबसे अच्छा एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस है?
Stylish in Bollywood, no? In Hindi cinema. I think everybody today, in today's day and age, dresses up really well, and they all have a very good sense of style. So it's very hard for me to pick one. They all have very unique sense of styling. In fact, I feel Sonam has a very, she's somebody who can experiment and she loves experimenting and she can pull off practically anything. I also like Anushka or Alia and all of these girls who dress up how I think, how usually girls our age dress up, and I really like the sense of style. It's again very effortless and very chic. What goes on in your mind when you're walking the line? What goes on my, so I hope that I don't trip. I hope nobody's throwing rotten tomatoes on me when I'm walking. No, jokes apart, I mean, I'm only thinking that I'm going to make the most of that moment and I'm having fun, because if you're not having fun, then it shows it on your face. You look conscious, you look nervous, you look like, oh my god, I got to like end this soon. So I try to make most of that moment.
And can you talk us through the ensemble that she's wearing?
The ensemble she's wearing is actually print, but that is done by hand painting, very much like the hand paintings that they do on the glasses in the palaces, but it looks neither Western nor Indian, it has richness. And the embroidery that she's got on her jacket is India's forte, but we just wanted to do three-dimensional flowers rather than Zardozi or something that you go to a wedding in. I think basically what she's wearing is, we have to move our fashion out of wedding clothes. They have to be something, as she says, she feels comfortable in, and it's not over the top. And some of the stuff that we do, you could go to the airport in without feeling any tension. So I think that is part of the whole story.
Sorry, I'm sorry? Hi first, I remember you.
Hi. It was the first time you walked on the ramp. Could you tell us something about it?
First time when I walked. My first year of modeling, I was actually there for one of these shows where Mickey wanted me Mickey contracted the makeup artist, the famous makeup artist. He wanted me as a model, and he was just doing makeup on me, like showing it to the designers, using me as a
Clothes horse.
yeah, I was a clothes horse. And I think it was Manav Gangani, the designer, who saw me, and he's like, oh, she's nice and she's pretty and I can use her for my this thing. And then he just like, he took me just like that, and I walked, and Appu was the choreographer, and she really liked me. She was very kind and generous, and then she took me from there on, and then I started modeling. Yeah.
Thank you. Just do a quick photo of
Yeah.
what she's having, and then we'll do it.
Yes. So it's labeled by Ritu Kumar, who's standing right here, and I'm so privileged that I'm standing next to her. This is from the collection Maharaja Pop, which is actually inspired by it's actually inspired by royalty, which is merged with pop of colors and ornamentation and just vibrancy. And as you can see, it's something which is very effortless and very chic. It's not trying too hard, closer to my sense of style.
ओके, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था रैन पर? क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था उस टाइम पे? थोड़ा
That I hope that I don't trip. And I make most of that moment, and I feel happy, and like it's just the energy is very different, when you're walking the ramp. I feel like people out there, they're hooting and they're cheering for you, and there's such beautiful models standing on the stage, and they're right at the end on the head of the stage you see so many lights and all, right, for you and all. I feel like it's an amazing experience, and I really do enjoy walking the ramp.
हम थोड़ा कलेक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे, कलेक्शन के बारे में।
कलेक्शन ये है कि जो आजकल की यंगर लड़कियां हैं, the collection is meant for a young person, and it has a lot of India, but also it has a lot of kind of military wear, which the younger generation today wants to look a little more macho, little less feminine. So it's a blend of the two, and it's a collection which you can have in many pieces and put it together yourself.
What's your statement? आपका क्या स्टाइल है?
मेरा कोई statement नहीं है. मेरा statement is very simple, very again effortless and not trying too hard ever. I don't really try. I don't put in too much stress over what I'm wearing, and I feel like you should let your personality always stand out. Your clothes should not dominate you. It should be the other way around. And I like to keep it simple and casual, and there are times when I like to dress up in a wonderful, beautiful evening gown or something, or a dress. Yeah.
Thank you.